If you've ever had two separate Lucidchart documents and wanted to bring them together, this video is going to save you a lot of time. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to merge documents in Lucidchart by importing pages from one file into another. It's a simple process, but if you haven't done it before, the menu options can be easy to miss. So stay with me, and by the end, you'll know how to combine your Lucidchart pages into one organized workspace. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Lucidchart document that you want to use as your main file. This is important because this will be the final document where all the imported pages will live. Think of this as your primary workspace or the document you want to keep at the end. Once your main document is open, look at the top menu bar. Now click Insert, then choose Import Page. This is the feature inside Lucidchart that allows you to bring in pages from another document. If you're working with multiple diagrams, process maps, or flowcharts, this is the fastest way to combine them without rebuilding anything from scratch. It keeps your work organized and saves you from manually recreating each page. After you click Import Page, a dialog box will appear. In that window, select the Lucidchart document that you want to merge into your main file. This is the source document, meaning the one that contains the pages you want to bring over. Take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct document, especially if you have several files in your account. Once you've selected the source document, Lucidchart will show you the pages inside it. From here, choose the specific pages you want to import. You do not have to bring in the entire document if you only need a few pages. That flexibility is really helpful when you want to combine related content while leaving out anything unnecessary. After selecting the pages, click Import. Lucidchart will then add those imported pages to your main document. You'll usually see them appear as new tabs at the bottom of your workspace. This is how Lucidchart separates the pages after importing, so you can easily move between them. If your goal is simply to combine everything into one file, you're already most of the way there. If you want to go a step further, you can now manually copy and paste elements from those imported tabs onto your primary page. For example, if you want to combine diagrams into one final layout, or pull only certain shapes and sections from each page, this gives you extra control over the end result. You can rearrange items, clean up the layout, and build one polished document from multiple sources. This method is especially useful for team projects, multi-part workflows, business process diagrams, and any situation where several Lucidchart files need to become one. Instead of exporting and re-uploading content, you can keep everything inside Lucidchart and manage it more efficiently. That means less friction, fewer mistakes, and a much smoother editing process. So to recap, open the main Lucidchart document, go to Insert, click Import Page, choose the file you want to merge, select the pages you need, and then import them into your workspace. It's a straightforward way to merge documents and organize your work faster. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and let me know in the comments what Lucidchart tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.